Hi and welcome to Solar FPV. My name is Anos, and well, it was haul time today. There was lots and lots of stuff in the mail, and I thought I'd just do a little video about it, just sort of. Event props. That's for my Gepard C Cine Queen Pro. Yeah, that's always nice. It's always good to have extra props. Never know when you might break them. I could use this on another 2-inch build. Some decent battery straps. Already installed this on the on my drone. I'm just gonna get the box down so you guys can see what I mean. This is obviously the Gepard C Cine Queen, I think it's called. I'm not just the little 2-inch one. Anyway, so I've just put it around the bottom so that when I tie in the battery, I can just, because it doesn't really fit underneath. It's quite big, but at least this will do good. This is for I'm going to use this for the balance lead to sort of get that tied in onto the battery so it doesn't flop around everywhere. So yeah, if you were wondering what this little box is that I am keeping my drone in, then this is the LDARC Tiny GT7 box. And you can actually buy these protective boxes by themselves on Banggood and Amazon and all. And I must say, I mean, it fits perfectly. It fits perfectly in here, as if it was made for it. And it doesn't even rattle around. What you're listening to rattling around is the USB thing, because I've got everything I need right in here, like extra SD card, an SD card reader for the USB. Yeah, I've got everything. So all I need to put in this little box are the spare props. But the reason why it doesn't bounce around, and this is like with, I've put some foam in the bottom of this. That was actually the foam that came in the box that the drone came in, and that fit perfectly within this box, so I didn't even have to cut that. And I just put this up front to sort of tighten so that it doesn't move around that way. And you can see these little nicks that come out here. Well, they push down, or not push down, they go right where the ducts are. You see that right there? Can be hard to see, but hope you can see it. And that makes it not bounce around. So you can chuck this in your backpack. It's nice and compact. And yeah, I just put a Gepard C sticker on so I know what's in it. Enough about that. That was nice as well. What did I get? I got a new face pad for my FPV goggles, my EV 200Ds. Sponge foam pad. This is the thick one. That's the one that fits my face. Very nice, always good. Mine is almost sweated through, as you may say, and yeah, just need a new one. It's always good to buy the stuff while they're still available, because you don't know what's going to happen in the future. And I got some spare ducts for it. These are from another one. I just like the green color of these. I thought they're really nice. Just in case I break a prop guard and I'm gonna need one, then I've got some spare ones to put on. It's always good. What else did I order? Because this might actually be interesting for people to know what other people order. I mean, at least I watch videos well. I ordered some camera mounts. Sort of for for some of these old cameras that I've got, like this one for example, or something, that might actually fit in there. Also, like, I know that this camera I've got right here, this fits in as well, because this one, I mean, this is the oh god, I don't know, it's a Cyclops camera, audio with DVI. It's probably the before it changed to run cam or something like that. So yeah, nice little camera, records 720p, and it fits in here quite nicely, just like that. And that way you can screw it on to a frame, right? Put some glue in there or something. I might have to mod it so that the button actually can move out. I don't think I can get this underneath the button. Yeah, I can. Oh, there we go. Ah, that's not optimal. Not optimal. Okay, I'm just going to carefully take this off, but you get the idea. Then all you need to be able to mount this camera, obviously, is something like this, which I ordered as well. 3D printed, nice little things. You put them around your standoffs, and then you can screw into this, so it's got something to hold. Don't really know how it goes actually, but something like this. I guess. We'll see how that works out. I haven't tested it yet, but I thought, they're pretty cheap. Might as well get them, because I've had some issues with camera mounting before. Now they all come in like each their own bag, but I'm just gonna shove them in the same bag. Here we go. No need to have all these. They're from Your UAV. Unbound and Amazing Bakery. What the hell? That's some weird stuff. What else did I get? A whole bunch of receiver antennas. Because, and just advice, if you want the ones that fit the XM Plus with the reel, then these are an option. There are also some that have a smaller connector. You can see here the size difference. Right? So make sure you get the right ones. It does say thin when you shop it, and then normal. So this will fit some of my receivers, and this will fit some of my other receivers. And yeah, and I got plenty of them, because there's no point in just ordering one. I don't even think you can order one, but I got 10 of these. I need 2 for each receiver, because I use XM Plus receivers. Very satisfied with that. That's the range I need. I don't need anything more than that. I rarely fly so far away that I need anything else. So that's nice. I've actually got some more down here that I bought earlier, but none of these have fallen off yet. So I've got plenty spares. That's always nice to have spare parts in your workshop, so you don't have to wait to be able to continue whatever you're doing. Also have some of these extra antennas just in case, and yeah, so I'm just gonna take all these antennas, put them in the bag so that they're all together. That's good. Nice little buy there. What else did I get? Oh yeah, new frame. This was interesting. I just saw this frame. It's kind of a toothpickish kind of frame, and then again not. It's just I think it's a 2-inch frame, and it's got holes for a 16 by 16 or 20 by 20 stack, and it actually also has holes for if you want like a whoop board in there. So this is quite interesting. A very crappy battery strap, but anyway, I don't really care. 3D print looks okay. A little bit flexy, but that's good. It won't break on crashes. This is going to be used in a future build. What else did I get? I got some motors. You might recognize these. The packaging anyway. Alright? Mamba system. So there was one of them that I already opened up to check out. These are the Mamba motors. The 5500 kV, what is it? They're 1105s, the MB 1105s, and yeah, this does seem like a. Ooh, that's kind of heavy. That's good. Seems like, ooh, that seems good. Seems like a nice motor. Oh, very good. So that's for future build, just in case. It does. They do come with, I think it's about 10 centimeter wires here. Nicely heat shrinks, and also put a bit of glue there on the side. I can see. Um, yeah, it's looking pretty good. Nice motor. Um, it's got four threads for. I mean, the actual axle here. It's very very tiny, as you can see. It doesn't stick up very much. This so this is definitely not for push on props. So be aware. This is for screwing on. So make sure you get screws in there. Nice little motor. Comes with different kinds of screws. Um, you know, 5 screws. 5 screws. They've even put a bit of Loctite on it, on all the screws. So that's for different thicknesses of the frame. Obviously, doesn't come with screws to mount your props. So be aware of that. They're not included. So if you're gonna mount, and you're gonna need screws for props, so you're gonna want to get those. And these are, what are they? Are they 2mm, 2M screws, I think. Let's just test here. Yeah, they're 2M screws. So, depending on the thickness of the prop, maybe you could use these ones for the props. I think that these are for the props and these are for mounting. So, depending on what you want. But you could also just mount the motor with 2 screws and the prop with 2 screws, and then you're done. You don't have to use 4 screws. It just adds weight. Now, so that's nicely they came. I'm very satisfied with these. Can't wait to use these on a build. When this one is failing on me, I might take the stack and actually put those motors on instead. And this one I have to repair because I need to put the antennas on the receiver, and I also got a camera the other day that we're going to be looking at a little bit later in this video, and we're going to be looking at this as well. So, but I just thought I'd like to show you guys what I have ordered. Maybe you'd like to order the same. I'm not going to put any links in the description. Go and find them yourself. I don't know where you shop. It doesn't really. I'm not supported by any. So, all I can say is I shop on Banggood and I shop on Wish. I don't shop on Amazon. I don't buy so many things on Wish anymore. But anyway, let's take a look at this. This is the UAV smoke stopper circle breaker. Circuit breaker. And we're going to test this right away. I have a 2S battery. I have what should be the connection on your quad. And I have just got the wires stripped so that I can short circuit it. So we're going to put this on here. Look at the arrows, right? In, out. It's got XT60 and it's got XT30. So that's pretty good. So let's just put that on there. Put these out to each side. And then see what happens. See if it works. Oh, so you can change the amperage. It's at 0.5 amp. You can also set it to 1.1 amp. It doesn't really matter. And then you can change the 3.4 if it's a high voltage battery or low. I think so. Anyway, I'm not too sure. Let's just see what this does. It does the same. So let's just say 3.4, 1.1 amp, and this whole thing should turn off when I go like this. Boom! Look, battery's not smoking, right? So if there was a short somewhere, it's not gonna do anything. No sparks, no nothing. It just turns off. That's really nice. So yeah, I really recommend getting one of these. This thing seems to be very, very solidly built. I mean, they are the XT30s and XT60s are pinned in um, with these pins on the side. These are some special ones that are made for boards, and you can also see how they've got these brass or whatever it is, copper brass coated something that go like bend down into the board. It's actually quite heavy. It's not like the lightest little thing, and then it's got this portable thingamabob here, which I don't know what to use for. It's also got a ground and a 5-volt output. So, and it's got solder pads. So you could do something different. So in case you want it, if you're using something bigger, like a lot bigger, um, plugs for whatever build you're using for your batteries, then you could also solder those on. I mean, there's still people who are using these type of plugs, and you could definitely solder those on and then use it as a smoke stopper for whatever old gear you have. These are actually not that bad, But just be advised that this is for 2 to 5S only. So if you were to use this on 6S, which has become increasingly popular lately, then this is not the smoke stopper for you, and you need to get a different one that can do up to 6S. So that's pretty much it. That's all I have to say about this. It will beep if there's a short circuit, I think. You can also use it as a voltage, a tester. You can see what the voltage is of your battery. So that's a nice thing. This thing works. I'm just going to put it away, but I'm going to be using it a lot here at the desk, so I'm going to have to find a nice spot for it to hang so that I don't forget to use it. Okay. This is going to save me money on the long run. This cost, I don't know, about 20 bucks. Something like that. I always say 20 bucks, I don't know why. Let's take a look at this. This is interesting because this actually just got here. This is from Caddx. This is the Ant. The 1200 TVL image ratio is 16:9. That's what I love, flying 16:9. Don't ask me why. I know a lot of people fly 4:3. It's really something personal. I just really like the wide field of view, and I don't fly so fast that I need the actual vertical thing. At least not yet. But it's 16:9, and it can change between NTSC and PAL. The color of the camera is silver. The model is Ant, and it's a nano FPV camera, and it's actually just come out, and it's looking pretty good. It's okay. Nick Burns did a really good review on this. If you go and check out his channel, where he did a fly around. So that's interesting. So it's very tiny. I mean, look about the size of my thumb nail. That's about the size of it. So that's very tiny. Got a little lens protector. It's a very tiny lens as well. You can actually control some things on it. It's got a control board, and it actually comes with, look what it comes with. Look at this. It comes with a control board, different screws, quite a lot of them actually. Look at all these screws that they give you. Isn't that amazing? There's more than plenty. It's like double up that you only need 2. So all different kinds of screws. They give you the cable for the control board. They also give you more screws. They give you this. These are all different kinds of size screws, different lengths. So you got, I don't know if you can see this, but you got like 3 different sized screws. That's quite good. And extras. So then you get the mounting option in case you do want to mount the Ant on something that is a little bit bigger. Then you get this rubber thing where you can put it inside, and then you can mount it on a proper, you have a wider mounting option. very nice little camera. I mean, it's unbelievable how small this is, and yeah, I can't wait to fit it in this, because I think it's going to go in this little drone here. Because this might actually work very well. You see? Yeah, something like that. Tiny camera for a tiny drone, and I should be able to just mount it using these ones. Um, Bugger! I can already see a problem there. These are meant for the wider standoffs, so I'm gonna have to figure something out how to mount this anyway. Yeah, maybe get some other 3D printed parts that go backwards. But that was the camera. Let's just put this back. All these nice little screws. It's quite cool that you get all this with get all these little extra bits and bobs. So I mean, you're all ready to go if you buy this camera. The only thing I could say that you know, that's probably why they are able to ship it so cheap. And yeah, the control board is okay. I think the only reason why they can ship all this so cheap is because this little thing. You even get this worldwide free shipping, 1-year warranty for parts repair, lifetime free customer support, and yeah, nice little card there. Calyx FPV, and it does actually come with this silica gel inside the package. So very nice package, very very nice. But you can see it got squashed, so there's a risk that when you order this, if it gets beaten up in the mail, that there could be some damage. I'm just saying, packaging is not the best. I think that pretty much covers all that I wanted to talk about today. The weather's shit here. It's raining, it's windy. It's definitely not flying weather. So it's desk weather. And I just thought I'd make this little video about all the things that I've gotten here. And yeah, hopefully you like the video. If you like, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and hit the annotation bell so that you know when I upload stuff, because I don't have a schedule. I don't live from YouTube. I do this as a part of my hobby. I love filming myself doing these things, and hopefully some of this is informative or fun to watch or whatever. So yeah, stay tuned for more RC related content from the desk and some FPV flights and a build video that's coming hopefully soon. And stay safe, and thank you for watching, and as always, fly hard.